least I am yours, and you are mine. Hey, hey, now you are mine. Hey,
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, obviously you can tell from the title that I will be doing a review on this Amazon hair. So I purchased this wig from Amazon. Yes, Amazon. I be telling folks, don't sleep on Amazon, because Amazon has almost everything and anything you're looking for. And the reason why I chose Amazon is because my sister and also one of my best friends, like, they're always purchasing their hair from Amazon. I was always skeptical. I always felt like I had to go to a vendor, which Amazon is a sort of vendor, but I felt like I had to either go to, you know, where everyone is talking about, like the popular name type vendors. So when my sister told me, like, man, you might as well just go off Amazon, and then my best friend, she was like, girl, I purchased all my hair from Amazon and I just turned them into wigs. And I was like, you know what, it never hurts to try to purchase something from Amazon, because Amazon hasn't failed me yet. Okay, like, I'm a Prime member, and I was like, everything I purchase from Amazon, it goes through, and you know, I have the best experience with Amazon. So I was like, and you know what, when it comes to Amazon items, if you don't like it, you can always go back and like return it, and they'll refund you back your money. So I was like, you either win some or you lose some. It is what it is. You're taking a chance. But I was like, I'm gonna take a chance with this hair. And yes, and if you guys can tell, this hair is lit. Like, I'm looking like a Haitian black Pocahontas. Like Pocahontas. No, I'm not. I'm looking like Belinda. Okay, so I was like, I love this hair. So let me get into the details. So I purchased this hair on Sunday. I received the hair on Tuesday, being a Prime member. But even if you're not a Prime member, I'm pretty sure like you'll get the hair within that week. This is a full unit. It is a lace frontal, but I didn't feel like gluing it down because I just didn't want to glue it down. It just gets to a point where you're just like tired of gluing your hair down. And of course, I like to take care of my natural hair, so I want to like put the wig on and slap the wig off, you know what I mean, so I can take care of my natural hair. But this hair is purchased from Amazon, and it's from a company called Suerkeep, Suerkeep. 8A water wave virgin Brazilian lace front wig, 150% density, Remy wave human hair lace frontal wig with pre-pluck, and this is 24-inch. And the hair added up to $152, but then they take out like a discount on its own. I didn't even have to put a discount code. It took out the discount on its own, and it dropped down to $140. When there's times I'm purchasing hair that's way more expensive than that, and the hair is like a dramatic failed. It's like a no-no. And literally, like I said, I purchased the hair on Sunday and I got the hair on Tuesday. And when I purchased this hair, did it have a smell? No, the smell was not that bad. It's not like, you know, when you purchase hair and it has like that smell like, ew, like I know I'm gonna wash this because I cannot handle that smell. This hair did not smell at all. It had like a slight smell, but it's not like a smell where you like, ooh, no. It has like a smell like, okay, you can handle it. But with me, anytime I purchase hair, I always have to wash it. I don't know what they put on the hair, so just for me to be safe and knowing that it's going on my head, I always have to wash my hair. And I did dye the hair black because the hair did come in its natural hair color, which is like a brown. So I dyed it black because I feel like black fits me well. Yes, so it's 24 inches and I'm not matching at all, okay? And it comes all the way down here. I'm not matching. Y'all know how YouTubers do it. You put on a cute top, but the bottom is like, it doesn't even go. But the hair is cute, and it came in this box right here. I feel like the packaging is really cute. Like, when I saw her hair, I was like, bruh, no. But then I took out the hair and I was like finger combing the hair. And another thing what I like about this hair, like, it's minimum shedding. Y'all know when y'all get curly hair and y'all wash it and it's like clumps of hair coming out. I'm telling you, you would get like about 5 to 6 strings especially that I wet this hair almost every single day. Yes, it sheds, but it does not shed like some other curly hair that I purchased. But this hair, I wet it every single day. I basically add some cream on it every single day, and when I rake it and when I rake the hair, of course you guys have to expect, like with any hair, even with your own natural hair, your hair sheds. So this hair has like minimum shedding that I can handle, not shedding when I'm looking inside the sink and it's like clumps of hair and I'm like, no, I gotta take this out before, you know, my sink get clogged up. This hair does not cause all that. Yes, it sheds, but it's not like drastic shedding. And it has like whatever, just I don't know, let me see. I never even looked at this, to be honest. I just took the hair out. Okay, it's from Sewer, where did I say it's from? Like it's from Sewer Keep Hair, but I feel like the vendor is from Perstar Hair. It has to be from Perstar Hair, because this is what came in it. And it says, free gift, you are so lucky, dear friend. We chose one lucky customer in thousands of customers with this letter. If you make a review for our product, it is much better to have pictures with the review. We will send you a free 10-inch 100% human hair wig as the following picture. After you make the review, please make a shot screen, then email perstar2018 at outlook.com. I didn't even see this, but shoot, anything for some free hair, I'm on it. So it came with this. It also came with a spray bottle, and it also came with some lashes. I'm probably not ever gonna wear these lashes, just to be honest, but it came with some lashes, a spray bottle. The packaging is cute. It came with like something that's letting you know if you do a review, you could get something out of it. But I'm gonna just do a review regardless, because I really like the hair, and if I feel like a company deserves to get a shout out, I'm gonna give it a shout out, with hair or without hair. But yeah, even like I said, it's from Sewer Keep Hair, but I really think the overall vendor, if that makes sense, is Perstar Hair. I'm not sure, but I'll put the link down in the description box if you guys are looking forward to purchase some water wave hair. This hair is so cute. I must say it's cute. Like, look at it. This is like some cute hair. And I was like, you know, I had posted this on Instagram. I was like, my girls gotta know. My girls ask to know. But I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, any comments, feel free to comment down below, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.